Hi DanLab. Today we'll be going over how to use the high precision scale located in the room in the southeast corner of the lab with the PCR machines. This scale should only be used for measuring small amounts of compounds in situations where accuracy is paramount. For most uses, one of the two scales near the media bench should be used instead. If you do use this scale, be careful not to move it at all so that it does not become unbalanced. Note also that there is a 40-gram weight limit for the scale. This includes the platform and the weigh boat. Adding more than 40 grams of weight to the scale has the potential to permanently damage it, so add compounds slowly to ensure you don't go over this limit accidentally. If you need to weigh anywhere near 40 grams of a compound, you also don't need the accuracy of this scale anyways. The platform can be changed according to your needs. All accessories can be found in the metal box next to the scale. Always wear gloves to interact with the scale and any of its components. This scale is normally kept turned on, but goes into a sleep state when not used, so this is probably how you'll find it. Press the 0 or tare keys to wake the scale up. The weighing chamber on this scale can be operated in two modes, manually or automatically via motion sensor. To operate the motion sensor, move your hand just above the sensors on either side of the base of the scale. The weighing chamber should toggle between open and closed each time you move your hand over the sensor. This can sometimes be a problem while weighing things, as moving your hands around the scale can set off the sensor and open or close the chamber unexpectedly. If it's getting in your way, you can make the chamber open only manually by unclipping it from the tracks using these two levers. After doing this, moving your hand over the sensor will not open or close the chamber, and you should be able to move the door smoothly and easily by hand. You can reset the clips to re-enable automatic door control. To weigh a compound, ensure the scale is clean and the platform has nothing on it, then close the chamber and press the 0 button to zero out the scale. Open the chamber, put a weigh boat or weigh paper on the platform, close the chamber, then press the tare button to tare the scale. Next, open the chamber and add the compound you're weighing to the weigh boat until you have approximately the weight you want. Then close the chamber and allow the scale time to equalize weight and static to discharge before taking the final reading. Watch for the static detect light to go off. Once the weight is stable and the scale does not detect static, it will read that the weight is correct. At this point, you can use your compound to add more if the weight was insufficient. Often with very small volumes, it's very difficult to weigh out an exact mass of compound. Instead, it may be easier to weigh out enough compound such that you're close to your goal weight, and then adjust the volume of solvent that you add to it to reach your final desired concentration. After you weigh each compound, re-zero and re-tare the scale. After you're completely done with the scale, make sure it's clean and dusted, and make sure you leave it closed. Spatulas for weighing and brushes for cleaning are stored in the metal box next to the scale, and spatulas must be immediately cleaned and returned to the box once you're done using them. They can dry in there.